In this drop of water, there is a creature you cannot see with your naked eye, a living shield gliding silently through the microscopic world. Today, under microscope, we meet Lepadella, a tiny rotifer that looks simple but lives an amazing life. Lepadella is a rotifer, a microscopic animal. Yes, it is an animal, not a plant, not a bacterium. Even though it is only a fraction of millimeters long, it has a complete digestive system, muscles, nervous responses, its own feeding organs, and the ability to move and reproduce. Lepadella is a single individual animal, but it lives in a world too small for our eyes to see without a microscope. You may find Lepadella in stagnant pond water, puddles, moss water, wet soil, rice soaked water, aquarium debris, and your backyard stagnant water. Just a single drop of water can hold dozens of them. They love water containing decaying leaves, algae, organic matter. But this is where their food lives. I got this from my backyard stagnant water. Lepadella has a very special shape. Under the microscope, it appears shielded, flat on one side, with hard outer covering called lorica. The important visible structures include the lorica, which is a protective armor shell, the foot. It is like a tail-like extension. It also has jaws, which is used for chewing food, and the intestine, which is used for digestion inside. Because of its armor-like shell, Lepadella looks like a tiny shield warrior of microworld. Lepadella's movement is slightly slow. It glides smoothly with short jumps. It moves using cilia near its head region, which beat rapidly. Sometimes it attaches itself to surface using its foot and then releases again. Under the microscope, you may see it sliding, rotating slightly, pausing suddenly and then moving again. It feels like it is thinking before it moves. Lepadella is a micropredator and cleaner. It feeds on bacteria, small algae, organic debris, detritus particles. Inside its body are tiny jaws called trophi. These jaws grind food like miniature chewing machines. Food passes through the mouth, the jaw chamber, stomach, then intestine. This whole digestive system exists inside a creature smaller than a grain of dust. Even though it is microscopic, Lepadella is very important. It helps to control bacterial growth, recycle nutrients, keep water from becoming toxic, and act as a food for larger microorganisms. In simple words, Lepadella is a cleaner and recycler in the aquatic ecosystem. Without such tiny creatures, pond water would become unhealthy very quickly. Some species of Lepadella reproduce without males, called parthenogenesis. It can survive drying by going into cryptobiosis. It is protected by a hard armor like lorica shell. To us, it is almost invisible, but in its world, Lepadella is a full animal living a complete life. A whole universe exists in a tiny drop of water, and Lepadella is one of its amazing shield-shaped inhabitants. If you enjoyed watching this microscopic world come alive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hidden life revealed on the slide.